In this video, I'll show you how to share a YouTube video so it opens at an exact second instead of starting from the beginning. At the start of the video, you can see an example where I click on a link I sent through Viber, and the YouTube video opens directly at the 45-second mark, not at the start. Now let me show you how to do this step by step. I've opened YouTube, and it's important to know that this method is slightly different from the standard way of copying a video link. First, play the video you want to share, and move the timeline to the exact second where you want the recipient to start watching. Once the video is positioned at the correct moment, click the share button located below the video. At this point, do not copy the link yet. Instead, look for the checkbox option inside the share menu. When you check this box, the timestamp field becomes active. In my case, YouTube automatically set the time to 44 seconds because that's where the video was paused. You can manually edit this value if you want. I changed it to 45 seconds so the video opens exactly at that point. After that, you can either copy the link or share it directly through an app. In this example, I copied the link and sent it through Viber. When someone clicks that link in Viber, the video opens in the default browser and YouTube starts playing the video at exactly the selected second. That's it. This is a very useful feature when you want to show someone a specific moment in a video without asking them to search for it manually. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.